The Akash Air Defence System is India's indigenously developed surface-to-air missile system designed to defend against enemy aircraft, helicopters, drones and cruise missiles within a range of 25 to 30 kilometers, developed by the Defence Research and Development Organisation, DRDO, and produced by Bharat Dynamics Ltd. This all-weather, medium-range missile can be launched from both static and mobile platforms, making it ideal for quick deployments during high-threat scenarios. Akash uses a solid-fuel rocket motor and can fly at supersonic speeds reaching up to Mach 2.5, guided by a sophisticated phased-array radar system called Rajendra, which tracks multiple targets and guides the missile with pinpoint precision. It features command guidance and a kill probability of over 88%, capable of engaging up to 10 targets simultaneously, giving it a clear edge in short-range battlefield scenarios. The Akash system includes missile batteries, control centers, and radar units, all integrated into a network-centric architecture that allows real-time communication with command systems. The Indian Army and Indian Air Force both have deployed Akash, and its upgraded variant, Akash-NG New Generation, now includes a seeker for greater accuracy, enhanced range of up to 50 kilometers, and reduced reaction time. Akash has been cleared for export to friendly nations and already received interest from countries in Southeast Asia and Africa, showcasing India's Atmanirbhar Bharat defense manufacturing capability. Its success has made India one of the few nations with a reliable indigenous air defense shield, joining the League of Global Defense Powers. In an era of increasing aerial threats, including UAVs and cruise missiles, Akash provides India a powerful and mobile first line of air defense, enhancing strategic deterrence and battlefield superiority, whether during peacetime surveillance or wartime airspace protection.